In this video, I'm going to go over a couple more options in the trace image window, which is Despeckle and Detail. So let me file, place image, and I'll choose this angelfish because as you can see it has a bunch of specks on the outside. And if I were to trace that, let me put my detail back at 98, which is the default. So that's what yours should come in at if you haven't changed them. Okay, and then I'll update the preview, and you can see that all of these dots are red, which means they're going to trace, and your cutter will cut those little things. So you can check Despeckle and see if that'll get rid of them. Bring my source image down, and it did. So that's one option. But let's say that Despeckle didn't work. Then you can try Detail. You can lower this down to even from 98 to 90, and that got rid of them. Okay. Another image that I have here is this tree, which I thought was pretty cool. So if I choose, let me put this back at 98 first of all, and then if I choose Despeckle for the tree, you can see what happened. It like welded everything together, and that's not what I want. What I want to try to do is get rid of some of these leaves and not trace all of them. So I can try Detail at 50 and see what happens. And that didn't trace all of them, but I would like to have less, so I'll go down to 20. And that's getting me where I want to be. I want a fall tree. I don't want a summer tree. So I'm going to go ahead and go down to 0. And of course that's as low as I can go because it doesn't work in the negative. So if I go ahead and choose OK, then this is what I end up with. Okay, so Despeckle and Detail are just two more functions in the trace image window that can help you get what you're looking for in a trace.